ABCD Construction Company is working on two projects, and these two projects has been divided into two managers, namely Mr. Sunil and Mr. Anil. Both managers are working with their teams. Both managers are harsh with discipline and punctuality, and both the teams is working amazingly to increase the profit of the company. One day, CEO of the company calls both the managers with their teams, and he told them about the next project at Swampy Land, that we need to make a residential building that should stay at the land at least up to 80 years, and whoever will make the beautiful design of this project, that team will get promoted. Here, CEO of the company, who is the cousin of Anil, he always try to support his team to show that Anil's team is doing a good work. On the other side, Sunil's team, who is a very hard working team, and they put all their efforts with honesty to give more profit to the company. Now both the teams has kept their designs in front of the company, and CEO has finalized Anil's team design for the construction of new project of Swampy Land. Because of this partiality, Sunil and his team has gave resignation. After that, the construction has started according to Anil's design. After some days, building falls and company suffers with a loss. Because of this collapse, company started to bear a huge losses. Due to this incident, the company's turnover get affected and it started decreasing. The turnover of previous some years are: in 2015 it was 130, in 2016 it was 137, in 2017 it was 143, in 2018 it was 148, in 2019 it was 128.
We had tried to mind map the question in the Swampy Land project. Let's have a look towards mind mapping of ABCD company. ABCD is a company with two managers, Mr. Anil and Mr. Sunil. Both are assigned with same project, and one with better design will be selected. The design, schedule and the list of resources required has been submitted to the CEO of the company. Question number 1. What are the measures company need to consider to regain profit? Different measures that company need to consider to regain profit are: first, regain trust value in market. Second is advertisement. Third one is new hiring of labor and managers. Fourth one is reviewing the problem in the collapsed building. Fifth and last one is new project with new members. What kind of action should management need to take against the CEO and Mr. Anil? They mix their private and professional life in professionalism, which is not acceptable. Because of this partiality, company had lost one good manager and the hard work employees. We can't remove our upper authorities like this, so it's better to talk to them about the same and maintain the peace.